to my channel. So in this video today we will learn that how we can install the Argo CD in our Kubernetes cluster, that is AWS. So in the previous video I have shown you that how we can create the VPC and how we can install the EKS uh, in the VPC. And in my second video I have shown you that how we can connect the existing AWS EKS cluster. So in this video I have prepared some code where you can see that there is a code provider.tf where I'm mentioning my config path. This is the default path of our kubeconfig, and here we are mentioning the Helm version. Okay, these are the providers. Second file is we are having ArgoCD setup.tf, so we are using the Helm release uh, of Helm release resource of our Terraform, where we are mentioning the name of our to install the Argo CD in our cluster. Here we are mentioning the repository which it will download it, and here we are mentioning the namespace. So namespace, it will install the Argo CD um, in this specific namespace only. Okay, and if your namespace doesn't exist, so we are using the create underscore namespace. It will create the namespace for you. And for the Argo CD, we are using the version called 3.35.4, and here we are using the values. So let's start with the installation. So let's do Terraform init. And before with that, let me show you the namespace list, where you can see that option Argo CD namespace is not present. So let's do Terraform apply. So in the Terraform apply, you can see that it is showing you the whatever we are going to create. So you can install the Helm chart via the Terraform, or you can use the Helm command. So what will be the Helm command? The Helm command will be the Helm install. The chart name, you can give the chart name as Argo CD -n -n is for namespaces, and here we have to mention the our file. So let me explain you the file as well. Let me explain file as well. So file is file we have created one folder called values, and inside that values we have created one argocd.yml. So in the argocd.yml we have mentioned the global image. So we are overriding these values from the existing code. Okay, so these three things, so we have made it false and we have made it in the insecure. So we are not using the HTTPS because we are not exposing the um, Argo CD outside the world. Okay, so these are the three things which we have, which we are overriding it, and it will take around 2 minutes to create the or install the Argo CD in our cluster. So let's check the namespace, whether the namespace has been created or not. Okay, so it's still taking time, so let's wait for 10 seconds more on this. um, can check again. Yeah, you can see that Argo CD namespace has been created, and we can check the object as well. Perfect. Now our pods are initializing one by one, and yeah, so our Terraform apply has been done. Let's do get pods hyphen Argo City again. Perfect. Now let's do check secrets uh, to get the password of our Argo CD. So what we can do kubectl get secrets. Let's copy this one. Get secrets hyphen o, hyphen o is for output, and hyphen n argo cd. Okay, so let's do port forwarding. kubectl port forward. Okay, get port forward. So let's first find out the service name. Okay, port forward. We see ArgoCD. So we are exposing on 8080 port. Let's copy this. Okay, so before it, let's first decrypt this password. So echo base 64 1D. And now we do port forwarding. Okay, let's copy this password. Let's open the browser, localhost. Now the username will be the admin, and the password which we have grabbed earlier, just copy it and sign in. So now we have successfully installed the Argo CD in our EKS cluster. In the next video, we will see that how we can create the CI/CD from our GitHub code. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and like and comments. Thank you. Bye bye.